you are able to duplicate an object with the shortcut Shift+D and create a single user object of its original. If you still want to influence the duplicated objects or instances by editing the main object, then use the shortcut Alt+D to create a linked object. You have still control to edit all of them at the same time. This and more in my video now. While modeling or any kind of scene design, you may come to the point to duplicate an object to place it a multiple amount of time. So you have a finished asset or any kind of mesh structure and want to place the exact same structure somewhere else. You have two options. 1. Duplicate objects, or 2. Duplicate linked. I will explain both options and its purpose and start with duplicate objects. Duplicate the exact same mesh structure with all of its assigned materials and textures of this moment when you duplicate it. The point of time is important. Select your object, which should be duplicated, and go to the menu Object, Duplicate Objects. The shortcut is Shift+D. Each duplicated object stands for its own. Feel free to adjust or modify each single object afterwards. Create a linked duplicate, which creates as well the object with all of its materials and textures, but it is still linked to the main object. The point of time for duplication isn't important. When you create a linked duplicate of an object, then it is important to know that they are linked. If you want to modify one, then you will modify all instances. It is possible to change position, rotation and scale, but if you want to adjust the material or the geometry, then this will influence all of them. This may be handy if your creation or design process is not finished so far and you still want to adjust the prop but need to spread it for any kind of visualization. However, once it is done and you are happy with the design, then you maybe will ask yourself how to unlink the duplicates now. To do this, select the object and go to Object, Relation, Make Single User, Object and Data. A second option is to enter the object data properties and check the area beside the object name. Usually there is no number when you have a single user object. But if there is any kind of linking, then there is a number of how many linked objects are in the scene. Just click this number to unlink the selected object. Keep in mind that this will influence only one object and other selected objects will not be transformed. If you want to transform many linked objects to a single user state, then I would advise to use the Relation menu function. And that's all so far. Thank you very much for watching. It would be very nice to give this video a like and or subscribe to my YouTube channel for more game dev videos. Cheers!